You've probably seen the headline screaming, crash is coming, or rates spike again. But let me break this down like a friend who knows the real estate game. Remember, this is not 2008. Hey, it's Dan Stewart with Finest Homes at Red Rock Real Estate, and no, the sky is not falling. Here's what the data actually says. Home prices are still up 3.9% year over year across the nation. Inventory still 16% below the pre-pandemic levels. Over the last 5 years, values have surged over 57%. That's not a crash, that's a correction to something more balanced. Now, I get it, buyers and sellers are frozen with fear. Surveys show 70% of Americans are afraid of a crash, but fear causes paralysis and missed opportunities. Rates, yeah, they've bounced around, but projections show we could be back in the low to mid 6% range by fall. That's great news for those sitting on the fence. So if you're just asking yourself, should I wait? Let me ask you this instead. Are you ready to stop following headlines and start following a strategy? My team and I have the tools, the data, and the know-how to help you time your move right. Whether you're buying or selling, this is still a market of opportunity if you play it smart. Let's talk strategy. I'm here to help. Reach out to the Dan Stewart team today and let's map out your best move in this market.